Think you need a $60,000 Raptor or TRX to conquer off-road trails? Think again. This Black Friday, legitimate off-road pickups under $30,000 are on sale, and we've tested them all to rank the top 10. From rock-crawling beasts to overlanding bargains, these trucks deliver serious capability without breaking the bank. Our number one pick shocked us with its impressive factory specs and trail performance. We're basing this on real-world tests, consumer reports, reliability scores, and aftermarket potential. These trucks prove you don't need to spend a fortune for serious off-road capability. Stick around. The deals are live right now. Let's dive in. Number 10. 2025 Hyundai Santa Cruz XRT used. Starting at number 10, we have the Hyundai Santa Cruz XRT. While Hyundai isn't traditionally known for off-roaders, the XRT trim, which you can find used under $30,000, adds essential off-road equipment, including skid plates, all-terrain tires, and a specially tuned AWD system that handles light trails surprisingly well. The Santa Cruz is more of a soft roader than rock crawler, but for weekend adventures, light trails, and camping excursions, it's an excellent choice. The 27 cubic footbed offers versatile storage for gear, making it perfect for weekend warriors. Just make sure to avoid the base front-wheel drive model, which lacks the off-road capability you'll need for anything beyond smooth gravel roads. Number 9. 2025 Ford Maverick Tremor used. At number 9, the Ford Maverick Tremor proves that compact trucks can deliver serious off-road performance. While the hybrid powertrain provides excellent fuel economy for daily driving, it's the Tremor package that transforms this small truck into a trail-capable machine. The package includes a lifted suspension, advanced AWD system with selectable drive modes that grip everything from mud to rocks. We tested its approach and departure angles, 24 degrees and 25 degrees respectively, which surprisingly outperform a stock Jeep Gladiator. The only significant downside is its 4,000-pound towing capacity, which limits its utility for hauling larger trailers or RVs on your adventures. Number 8. 2024 Nissan Frontier Pro 4X used. The Nissan Frontier Pro 4X lands at number 8 on our list. For under $30,000, you get a surprisingly capable mid-size truck equipped with Bilstein off-road shocks, a rear locking differential, and an impressive 9.3 inches in ground clearance that helps it navigate challenging terrain. Consumer Reports praised its secure handling on rough trails, and its reliable powertrain has proven durable in off-road conditions. The trade-offs include a somewhat cramped rear seat that might be uncomfortable for adult passengers on longer trips, and the heavy steering that requires more effort than some competitors, especially at low speeds when rock crawling. Nevertheless, the Frontier represents excellent value in the mid-size truck segment. Number 7. 2025 Chevrolet Colorado Z71 new base model. Chevy's 2025 Colorado Z71 takes the number 7 position with a starting MSRP of $29,995 for the base model. The Z71 package includes off-road tires, underbody armor, and a comprehensive terrain select system that optimizes performance across various conditions. What impressed our testers most were the Multimatic DSS V-Shocks, which deliver exceptional performance in both on-road comfort and off-road capability. To put their value in perspective, these shocks would cost around $3,000 alone as aftermarket parts. The only notable drawback is the Turbo 4 engine, which produces adequate power, but sounds somewhat coarse when pushed to high RPMs during challenging climbs. Number 6. 2024 Toyota Tacoma SR used TRD off-road. The Toyota Tacoma secures our number 6 spot. While a new TRD off-road model exceeds our $30,000 budget, a lightly used 2024 model fits comfortably within our price range. Toyota's legendary reliability combined with off-road features like the innovative crawl control system and electronic rear locking differential make it a beast on technical trails. The Tacoma's suspension articulation allows it to maintain traction in situations where lesser trucks would be spinning their wheels. Consumer Reports noted some drawbacks in their testing, including a somewhat stiff ride on pavement and the gritty feel of the Turbo 4 engine, compared to the smoother V6 offered in higher trims. Still, for long-term reliability and capability, the Tacoma remains a strong contender. Number 5. 2024 Jeep Gladiator Sport Used. Coming in at number 5 is the Jeep Gladiator Sport. While a new Rubicon model would blow our budget, a used sport model with the max tow package, typically $28,000 to $30,000 on the used market, offers tremendous value. The Gladiator comes equipped with heavy-duty Dana 44 axles and enough clearance to fit 35-inch tires with minimal modification. We tested its breakover angle, 18.4 degrees, and while it's not quite as capable as its Wrangler sibling, it still dominates most trails. The Gladiator's open-air options also enhance the off-road experience. Be warned though, highway driving in the Gladiator feels like riding a bucking bronco compared to more refined competitors, with notable wind noise and a somewhat wandering steering feel at higher speeds. Number 4. 2025 Ford Ranger XL with the FX4 package. The Ford Ranger XL with the FX4 package takes our number 4 position. For just $28,490, you get a comprehensive off-road package that includes skid plates to protect vital components, aggressive all-terrain tires for improved traction, and a trail-tuned suspension that balances daily drivability with off-road performance. TrueCar highlights its turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers an impressive 270 pound-feet of torque, plenty for moderate towing needs and overcoming off-road obstacles. The Ranger size strikes a good balance between capability and maneuverability on tight trails. Just be prepared for a somewhat bouncy ride on pavement, especially with the stiffer off-road suspension setup. Number 3. 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LD used. Bronze medal goes to the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LD. A used 2023 to 2024 LD model can be found under $30,000 and comes equipped with the powerful 5.3-liter V8 engine and Z71 off-road package. The full-size dimensions provide excellent stability on rough terrain, while the larger cabin offers superior comfort for longer adventures. IC cars ranked at number 1 for reliability among full-size trucks, giving owners confidence for remote trails. With 9,800 pounds of towing capacity, it crushes mid-size rivals and allows you to bring along more gear for extended trips. The V8 power makes short work of steep climbs, while the well-tuned suspension handles everything from washboard roads to moderate rock crawling with confidence. Number 2. 2025 Ram 1500 Classic Warlock used. Our runner-up is the Ram 1500 Classic Warlock. This $27,000 to $29,000 used gem includes a 3.6-liter V6 engine, 4-wheel drive system, and factory lift that provides excellent ground clearance right from the showroom floor. SEMA reports indicate it has massive aftermarket support, meaning you can easily find upgrades to enhance its already impressive capabilities. The Ram's unique coil spring rear suspension, unlike the leaf springs found in most competitors, smooths out trails and improves articulation when the going gets rough. For budget-conscious off-roaders who still want full-size capability, the Warlock presents an unbeatable value proposition. Just skip the V8 option if you want to stay under budget. The V6 provides plenty of power while keeping the price tag in check. Number 1. 2025 Ford F-150 XL with off-road package. Our number 1 pick for off-road trucks under $30,000 is the 2025 Ford F-150 XL with the off-road package. Yes, you can get America's best-selling truck under $30,000 with legitimate off-road capability. The package adds essential components, including skid plates to protect the undercarriage, a rear locking differential for improved traction, and aggressive all-terrain tires that handle mud, sand, and rocks with ease. We tested it on the challenging Rubicon Trail, where it outperformed many purpose-built off-roaders, including Tacoma and Gladiators. The 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine delivers an impressive 325 pound-feet of torque for climbing steep grades, while the spacious cab comfortably fits a family of 5. With best-in-class payload capacity and excellent ground clearance, This is truly the ultimate budget off-roader that doesn't compromise on capability or comfort. So, there you have it. The top 10 off-road pickup trucks you can own for under $30,000 in 2025. Whether you prefer the compact maneuverability of the Maverick, the legendary reliability of the Tacoma, or the do-it-all capability of the F-150, there's an affordable option for every type of off-road enthusiast. These trucks prove that adventure doesn't need to come with a premium price tag. Which of these $30,000 warriors would you choose for your off-road adventures? Share your thought in comment. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.